Welcome back to our channel. So today our topic is about gluconeogenesis. Your brain requires a constant supply of energy to survive. But what happens when you run completely out of carbohydrates? Your body activates a critical biochemical pathway called gluconeogenesis. As the name implies, it acts like an emergency sugar factory inside your liver. Its main mission is to take non-carbs carbohydrate sources like fats and protein, recycle them, and manufacturing brand new glucose from scratch. Glucogenesis runs on three main building blocks that are already floating inside your body. First is lactate, which comes from your burning muscle after a workout. Second are amino acids from the protein you eat. And the third is glycerol from your stored fats. All the three, all the three raw materials travel straight down to these arrows into your life factory. Here, they are glued to construct a brand new glucose molecule for your brain. To truly understand gluconeogenesis, you must look at its relationship with glycolysis. Glycolysis takes 6 carbon glucose molecules and break it down into a 3 carbon pyruvate to create energy. Gluconeogenesis does the exact opposite. It takes the pyruvate, run the chemical pathway in reverse, and build it back into glucose.